Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 24 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2942. Find words containing character. So this problem is very easy. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given a zero indexed array of strings, words and character X. Okay, string words array given to us and character X given to us. We have to return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character X. Okay, so X is equal to E, so E is here at 0 index and E is also here at 1 index. Okay, so 0 and 1 we are returning. Okay, so we have to return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character X. Note that the returned array may be in any order. Okay, so see this example number 2, X is equal to A, so A is available here, A is available here, so we are returning 0 and 2. Okay, we are not returning this 1 and this 3. Okay, example number 3, X is equal to Z, so Z is nowhere, right? So we are returning empty, right? So Z doesn't occur in any of the words, hence we return an empty array. Okay, and the constant size is very small. Okay, so words dot length is 1 to 50 and words of I dot length is also from 1 to 50, and X is a lowercase English letter and words of I consist only of lowercase English letters, right? So how we are going to solve this? So there is one method. Okay, words of I, we are just going to check index of X. Okay, X is a character. Okay, and this is our string, right? So it is going to return the index of the first occurrence of the substring X in the string words of I. Okay, so if the substring X doesn't exist in the words of I, then this method is going to return -1. So we are just going to use this method. Okay, so let's write the code for this. Very easy code. Okay, so here what you need to do first, let's create one array list, okay, which we need to return. So here let me just maximize the screen. List of integer, and here let's name it as result is equal to new array list. All right, this is done. Then after that, once this is done, then just calculate the length of the words string array. Okay, so here words dot length, and then just run one loop. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here inside this you have to just use that method. Okay, so if words, okay, so string available at I index, just check the starting index of this particular X. Okay, this particular substring. Okay, so if the value is not equal to -1, that simply means that it is there. Okay, if it is -1, that simply means this substring is not there, right? So if it is there, then just add this index, okay, in our result, right? That's it. And here in the end you have to just simply return result. Okay, now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so here what is the time complexity? So I am running this loop for O of n time, and here we are checking the complete string. Okay, so the string available at words of I. So let's say length is m, so O of n into m, right? So O of n into m is going to be the time complexity for this problem. Okay, n into m or n into l, okay, whatever you want to say, right? So what is this index of X? So Java, the method words of I index of X returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring X in the string words of I. If the substring X doesn't exist in words of I, then the method is going to return -1. Okay, and approach 2, you are also going to check it like this also. If words of I dot contains here string dot value of this substring X. Okay, so we can also check it like this. Okay, so this is also one other way to solve this problem, right? String dot value of X. Now let's run it and see if there are any code issues with this contains, right? So there is one issue, so let's fix that. So words of I dot contains string dot value of X. Here this ends, here we need one more, right? So now let's run it again. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand both the approaches, approach 1 and approach 2. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.